If you're looking for a way to streamline your team's workflow in Asana and set clear rules for assignees, you're in the right place. In this quick Asana explanation, I'll show you how to set rules for assignees in just a few simple steps, so you can make sure everyone knows exactly what they're supposed to be doing. Stick around till the end, because I've got a tip that'll save you a ton of time. You can also use Asana for completely free by clicking the first link below, where we're offering exclusive bonuses. Let's dive in. First thing you need to do is go to the Rules section in your Asana workspace. You'll find this by clicking on the project you want to add rules to. Once you're in your project, look for the Customize button at the top right. Click it, and you'll see a panel where you can manage all the rules for that project. If you've never used this feature before, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to create your first rule. Next thing you want to do is select Add Rule. This is where the magic happens. Asana gives you a lot of options to automate how tasks are assigned. One of the most common rules is to automatically assign tasks to certain team members when specific conditions are met. For example, you can set a rule that assigns a task to a specific person when it's moved into a particular section of the project. The third thing you'll want to consider is setting up a rule for when tasks are marked as complete. You can automatically assign new tasks to someone else or reassign tasks that were missed. This helps keep the flow of work moving without having to manually track everything. Super handy, especially for bigger teams or fast-paced projects. Next thing, set rules for recurring tasks. If your project has tasks that repeat regularly, you can set them to automatically be reassigned to the same person or different assignees based on a pattern. This is perfect for teams with regular check-ins or ongoing deliverables, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. The fifth thing to keep in mind is setting priorities for your rules. Sometimes, you might have multiple rules that overlap. In this case, you can decide which rule takes priority when a task meets the conditions of more than one rule. This is an important detail because it helps prevent tasks from being assigned incorrectly or in an order that doesn't make sense for your team. The last thing to mention here is making sure that you're reviewing your rules periodically. As projects evolve, the needs of your team may change, and it's important to tweak the rules to stay aligned with your goals. Checking in every month or so can keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Now, before you go, remember that by clicking the first link below, you can access Asana for completely free and get some exclusive bonuses that will help you make the most of this tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide on how to set rules for assignees in Asana was helpful. Don't forget to check out the link for an extended free trial.